I'm going to show you how the Thor Lightning Rapid 4-Tire Hose Kit works right here in the wild. I've got the air system hooked up to the truck and it is reading 39.9 pounds of pressure in the tires on this truck. That is the pressure of all 4 tires. It automatically equalizes, and so all 4 tires are the exact same pressure. In order to deflate, it's really simple. You're just going to open the valve and the air is going to come out the bottom of the Thor's Lightning Hammer manifold. And to stop deflation, you slide the valve down and you'll get a pressure reading on all 4 tires at one time. To inflate using any air compressor out there, this is a standard IM fitting. You simply hook up your air compressor to the bottom of the manifold and you slide the valve into the open position, turn your compressor on, and the system will automatically start inflating all 4 tires at once and equalize your tire pressure. If you want to check your pressure, you can close the valve and that will show you the immediate tire pressure. Open the valve and your compressor will kick back on and continue airing up as long as it's equipped with a pressure sensor.